If you're a Star Wars fan and you want one of the most lore-accurate Mace Windus, and probably peak Star Wars, if we're going to be honest, then you need to go watch the 2003 Clone Wars series. It's amazing. Take, for example, this moment with Mace Windu. Like, who uses the bolts on a droid and tears it apart and then throws it at the other droids as a weapon? I mean, he doesn't even pull out his lightsaber for some of these battles. And don't even get me started on Anakin Skywalker. He is phenomenal in this series. And if you ever wondered where Grievous got his cough, well, you actually find out by watching this show. Star Wars fans, seriously, this is probably peak Star Wars. Go check it out. This series is amazing.
Make sure to like and subscribe, or we will execute Order 66. Check out our other videos on the screen as well.
Yes, my lord.